How to get urgent access to your child without the services of a lawyer. In South Africa, the right of access to a parent is the right of a child. What does that mean? It means that it is the child's inherent right to talk to their mother and father. It is not an indulgence that the parent can use. So for example, if the father refuses to pay maintenance, the mother says, "Screw you, I'm not going to send the child over." It doesn't work that way. The right to see the father is the right of the child. The right to see the mother is the right of the child. If you are not getting that right, you can approach your nearest court, and there are clerks at the front desk who are good people, who have these template documents ready, and who will be able to assist you and guide you in filling in these forms. You then fill in an application, which then gets heard before a presiding officer, who will then make a ruling based on the merits of your application. Remember to bring evidence when you approach court. These could be reasonable requests that you made to see the child. When these requests were denied, you must have dates, times, and incidents. Screenshot the WhatsApp messages. These can be very valuable evidence when you approach the court. Remember, your child has a right to see you. Your child wants you to play a part in their life, but you have to stand up and enforce that right.